Hey guys, welcome back to Technicalomor. Today we're checking out something really unique and futuristic. If you love mechanical watches or enjoy cool tech that doubles as a display piece, then today's product is going to be very interesting for you. In this video, we're taking a look at the Gravity Furnace, the world's first futuristic Cyber-Mecha watchwinder robot developed by Metilis. Before diving into the features, let's start with a quick unboxing experience. When you open the box, the packaging immediately feels premium and carefully organized. Everything is neatly placed to protect the device during shipping. Once you lift the Gravity Furnace out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is its weight and solid build quality. The device weighs around 6.8 kilograms, which gives it a very sturdy and premium feel. Inside the box, you'll find the Gravity Furnace unit, the power accessories, and the basic documentation to help you get started. Setting it up is quite simple. Once you place it on a desk, shelf, or display table, the device instantly stands out because it looks less like a traditional watch accessory, more like a futuristic mechanical sculpture. One of the most interesting aspects of the Gravity Furnace is its design concept. Instead of creating a simple watchwinder box, the creators wanted to build something that celebrates mechanical watches and showcase them with a style. The idea was to combine technology, art, and futuristic aesthetics into a single device that can both protect and display a watch. The body of Gravity Furnace is built using a cyber-style non-magnetic alloy. This material choice is very important for mechanical watches because magnetic interfaces can affect their accuracy. By using a non-magnetic alloy structure, the device helps keep your watch safe while it is being wound. At the same time, the industrial cyberpunk design gives the entire unit a bold and futuristic look that easily stands out in any room. Another standard feature is the DIY armor module system. The Gravity Furnace includes snap-on armor modules that allow users to customize the outer appearance of the device. This means DIY enthusiasts can change the look of the unit by attaching different armor pieces. Over time, new mechanical armor designs can also be added, which means the device can continue evolving with new styles and customization possibilities. When it comes to controls, the Gravity Furnace combines touchscreen operation with customizable physical shortcut buttons. This hybrid control system makes the device flexible and easy to use. If you prefer using the touchscreen, you can navigate through the interface and adjust different settings. But if you want a faster access to certain functions, the shortcut buttons can be customized to instantly activate specific modes. Another major highlight of the device is its extremely quiet performance. The Gravity Furnace uses an Aerospace-grade stepper motor, which allows it to operate with what the company calls breathing level silence. This means the device runs very quietly even while winding your watch. Because of this, you can place it in your bedroom, office, or living room without worrying about disturbing noise. In addition to its mechanical movement, the Gravity Furnace also focuses heavily on visual presentations. The device includes dynamic ambient lighting with breathing light effects, along with a customizable UI interface. When the watch is rotating and the lights softly glow around it, the whole setup creates a very futuristic display experience. It almost feels like your watch is being showcased inside a high-tech exhibition platform. Powering the device is also convenient thanks to the dual Type-C charging ports. Having two modern Type-C ports ensures compatibility with current charging solutions and makes the device easier to power in modern setup. Now, let's talk about the core functionality. The Gravity Furnace offers 3 series and 12 different operating modes, while the internal software system is quite advanced. The overall user experience is designed to stay simple. One of the main modes of the self-winder option, which allows user to select the precise winding pattern that best suits their specific watch. This helps ensure proper movement and long-term reliability for mechanical watches. The customizable shortcut buttons can also be programmed for quick access to the winding modes, allowing you to start the process instantly. For users who prefer simplicity, the device also offers smart automatic solutions, which handle the winding process automatically without requiring manual configuration. Another thoughtful detail is that mechanism automatically returns to its original position after use. This helps maintain a clean and balanced appearance when the device is idle, ensuring that the watch always remains in a centered and visually pleasing position. The development process behind this product is also worth mentioning. According to the creators, The gravity furnace went through 13 different updates and about 2 years of testing. This long development period allowed the team to refine both the hardware and software to ensure stability and reliability before releasing the product. Overall, the gravity furnace is much more than just a watch winder. It combines futuristic cyberpunk design, mechanical engineering, and customization to turn your watch into a true display piece instead of hiding it inside a box. Another great thing is that the gravity furnace has already entered mass production and will be ready to ship soon, so it's not just a concept product anymore. The project will also launch on Kickstarter soon, where early supporters can get it with early bird discounts starting at $489. And if you want to learn more, you can also visit their official website, where you can find not only the gravity furnace but also other cyberpunk style metal toys and mechanical creations. So that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this futuristic Cyber-Mecha watchwinder robot. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Technicalomor, and I'll see you guys in the next one.